Welcome again to PIXELPENDIGITAL, where we make math easy and enjoyable. In our last lesson, we learned how to calculate simple interest using the formula interest equal to principal times rate times time. Now we are going deeper. We will learn how to find rate, time, principal, and total amount. Let's get started. As a reminder, I is interest, P is principal, R is rate, T is time in years. Now let's see how to find each one if it's missing. Now to find rates, use the formula rate is equals to interest times 100 divided by principal times time. I repeat, the formula for rate is rate equals to interest times 100 divided by principal times time. Let's solve this one together. You earn 6,000 naira interest on 30,000 naira in 2 years. What is the rate? Now the first thing you're supposed to do is you write your formula. Remember what's our formula? Our formula is rate is equal to interest times 100 divided by principal times time. So all you need to do is you substitute the number each letter represents. Now I is the interest, and they say you've earned 6,000 naira interest, so the interest rate here is 6,000 naira, so you put 6,000 times 100 all divided by the principal is the amount you use in starting the business, and yeah, the principal is 30,000 naira, so you say 30,000 naira times time it's for 2 years, so you say times 2. So let's solve. Now you say 6,000 times 100 is going to give you 600,000 naira. 600,000 naira all divided 30,000 times 2 is going to give us 60,000 naira. So let's divide. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. So our rate is what? 10%. That is our rate. Our rate is what? 10%, because 6 going to 60 will give us 10. Now I would like you to pause this video and practice this question, then put your answer on the comment section below. Now the question says you earned 4,800 interest on 40,000 naira in 3 years. What is the rate? Let's learn how to find time. Now to find time, you use the formula time is equal to interest times 100 divided by principal times rates. Let's dive right into our example. Example 2 says you earned 8,000 naira on 40,000 naira at 10% interest. How long did it take? Now we are learning how to look for the time. So the first thing you do is write your formula for time. And the formula for time is equal to interest times 100 divided by rate times principal. So now the question is, what is the interest? Now remember the question, they say you earned 8,000 naira on 40,000 naira, so the 8,000 naira is the interest. So we say our interest is 8,000 naira times 100 all divided by, what is our rate? Our rate here, it's 10% times our principal, which is what? 40,000 naira. 40,000 naira. So now let's solve. 8,000 times 100 is equal to 800,000. Why 10 times 40,000, which is equal to 400,000 naira. Let's cancel. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. We have 8 and 4. 4 go into 8. We have what? 2. So our answer is equal to 2 years. You can practice this one. Don't forget to put your answer on the comment section below. Let's learn how to find the principal, the original money. Now the question is example 3. It says you earn 9,000 naira at 6% for 3 years. What is the principal? Remember, the principal is that amount you use in starting the business or the money you borrowed from the bank. Okay, now the first thing we do is we write up our formula for principal. So the formula for principal is P, which is equal to interest times 100 divided by rate times time. So let's substitute each letter for the number they represent. Now if you look at the question, the interest is what? 9,000 naira. So you say 9,000 naira times 100 divided by, what's our rate? Our rate is 6% times the year, which is 3 years. So what do? We say 9,000 naira times 100 is going to give us 900,000 divided by 6 times 3 is 18. So we say 900,000 naira divided by 18. We are going to get what? 50,000 naira as our principal. Okay, let us practice this on the board. Don't forget to put your answers on the comment section below. Now let's find the total amount you will receive or pay. That's the amount. Example 4. Example 4 says you invested 20,000 naira and earned 3,000 naira interest. What is the total amount? Now remember, the total amount has to do with the principal, which is the money you borrowed from the bank or the money you used in starting the business, plus the interest you receive while investing on that business with that money, or the interest you're supposed to pay with the principal, the money you borrowed, with the money you borrowed from the bank. So the first thing we do here is to write down the formula. We say amount is equal to principal plus interest. Now in this question, what is our principal? Our principal is 20,000 naira because the question says you invested 20,000 naira. So our principal here is 20,000. So we say 20,000 naira plus, what is our interest? The money we got after investing 20,000 naira. The question says you invested 20,000 naira and you earned 3,000 naira interest. So the interest is what? 3,000 naira. So what you do is you add the 20,000 naira to the 3,000 naira. You get what? 23,000 naira. Therefore, our amount is 23,000 naira. This time, let's solve this and type our answer on the comment section below. Here is a quick summary of all the formulas you need. If you know how to rearrange one, you can solve all the rest. Okay, here are some extra questions for you to try. Please pause this video, solve them carefully and drop your answers in the comment section below. I will check and give a shout out to those who get them right. You did a great job today. Now you can find rates, time, principal and amount in any simple interest problem. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Pixel Pen Digital and share it with your friends and classmates. And if you missed the previous class, go watch that now. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep shining.